Hi guys, welcome to Echo's Math Hack. I am Echo. Today we're tackling one of the most confusing SAT math problem, equations with infinitely many solutions. This is a must-know topic because it shows up on 90% of SAT tests. So today I'm gonna break it down with the exact tricks that help me to get a perfect score on the math part. So let's get started. Okay, here's the problem. It tells us this equation has infinitely many solutions, asking us what is the value of c. So what should we do now? I guess we probably should simplify it first. And trust me, this is where most of the people mess up. And I mess up too. Okay, so let's do it step by step. First, let's split the fraction. So we got 48x over 8 plus 144 over 8 minus c over 15. Okay, for the right side, let's distribute d. So we got dx minus 2d. And now we can simplify it more. So we got 6x plus 18 minus c over 15 equals to dx minus 2d. Okay, now here's the hack. For an equation ax plus b equals to cx plus d to have infinitely many solutions, the coefficient of x must be equal, and their constant also have to be equal. So now let's apply this rule to our simplified equations. First, what are the coefficients? On the left-hand side, it is 6, and on the right side, it's d. And since we know if we want to have infinitely many solutions, the coefficients have to be equal. So we can write it down, d equals to 6. And then now for the constant, on the left side it's 18 minus c over 15, and on the right side it's negative 2d. So we can write it down, 18 minus c over 15 equals to negative 2d. Since we already found out d equals to 6, then we can basically plug in this value into the second equation. Then we get 18 minus c over 15 equals to negative 12. And then we get c over 15 equals to 18 plus 12 equals to 36. And then we get c equals to 450. So we already got our answer. C equals to 450. Now let's double check to make sure we didn't mess up. So let's look at the left side first. If c equals to 450 and d equals to 6, then we can get 6x plus 18 minus 450 over 15. And then we get 6x plus 18 minus 30. And then we can get 6x minus 12. Okay, now let's look at the right side. 6 times bracket x minus 2 bracket, and we got 6x minus 12. So yeah, they're the same, which means this equation is true for any x, or in other words, it has infinitely many solutions. Well, before we wrap up, let's look at two mistakes that I made when I first tried this problem. So first, it's skipping fraction simplification. When I first tried this problem, I didn't split 48x plus 144 divided by 8, so I got stuck because I couldn't find the coefficient. So always remember, split the fraction before doing anything else. Then you can get the answer because you know where's the coefficient. And the second mistake is forgetting to distribute d. I know what you're thinking. Distributing? That sounds so easy. Why would someone mess up on this? But trust me, this is where exactly some people slip up on the test day. So we really have to make sure we avoid this kind of mistake. And distributing means multiply d by each turning side. And here's a wrong example, because I forgot to distribute d. So I got dx minus 2. And minus 2 is the constant instead of minus 2d. So as a result, I will get c equals to 300, which is incorrect. And those small errors actually cost points. So watch out for them. And now here's the takeaway. For an equation to have infinitely many solutions, the coefficient of x and the constant term have to be equal. And that's it. Well, if you found this helpful, please hit a like and subscribe. Next week, I'll be breaking another SAT math tricks that save me points. And please drop a comment if you want me to cover a specific topic. And thanks for watching. See you guys next time. I love you guys.